Looking for a high-quality orbital incubator without the high price tag? Meet the refurbished Longyue LYZ-200BAGB220-1. Precision, reliability and affordability in one. With a temperature range from 5 to 60 degrees Celsius and digital controls, you get accurate, stable conditions for your cultures. The adjustable shaking speed, anywhere from 30 to 300 RPM, gives you the flexibility to handle a variety of microbiology and cell culture applications. Built with a durable stainless steel chamber, it's easy to clean and designed to last. Plus, the large LED display keeps you informed with real-time monitoring, while the safety system offers overheating protection for peace of mind. Quiet operation, low vibration, and a 10-kilo load capacity make this incubator a perfect fit for any busy lab. And with 16 included flask clamps, you're ready to go from day one. At Galileo Scientific, our specialists have reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced this unit to ensure top performance, so you can buy with confidence. Upgrade your lab with dependable equipment at a fraction of the cost. Order now while supplies last.